Hello, my name is Francesca Forestieri, and I am the Automotive Lead for GlobalPlatform, a standards organization which has its roots in the financial, banking, mobile, and government markets. I am honored to be speaking to you today at Autotech Europe with an invitation to join our new initiative on cybersecurity and automotive for secure components, device trust architecture, security APIs, and secure lifecycle management. I look forward to meeting you in Munich. Cybersecurity is ever more complex given the evolution of automated and multiple third-party services suppliers for hyperconnected mobility. Today's vehicle leverages more than 1,400 semiconductors to deliver hyperconnectivity services ranging from safety, comfort, powertrain, electrical connectivity to infotainment. These connections and services will only expand exponentially with the rollout of electrical vehicles and advanced driver assistance systems. Both of these segments require even more frequent and differentiated data exchange between the vehicles and other players, including other cars and infrastructure. The world of hyperconnectivity is exploding. This market evolution is met with new UNECE regulations for cybersecurity management systems and software updated management systems, as well as a host of relevant cybersecurity standards, including SAE's J3101, which standardizes protected security for ground vehicles, SAE's 21434, the Road Vehicle Cybersecurity Engineering, ETSI's standards around cybersecurity for consumer Internet of Things, as well as ISO standards for auditing cybersecurity engineering management systems. This perfect storm around cybersecurity has resulted in greater engagement of automakers, the extended automotive value chain, as well as other service suppliers in determining the most appropriate, robust response to protect against cybersecurity threats. Cybersecurity threats can come from many different angles, and the vulnerabilities can have dire consequences. In fact, in the case of publicly reported cyber incidents, as mapped to the categorization of threats and vulnerabilities of UNECE, the two most prominent threats to vehicles are communication channels, perhaps unsurprisingly at 89.3%, and data and code. In fact, the Electronic and Engineering Times cites that there are more lines of code in the connected car than other highly sophisticated machines, including the U.S. Air Force's F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, or the NASA Space Shuttle 98. Furthermore, the gravity of the vulnerabilities from cyber incidences have been assessed by Upstream, demonstrating 139 vulnerabilities, of which 26 were critical. Although none of these issues are surprising overall, since the discussion and work on cybersecurity has become ever present in the industry, we believe that there is an important new opportunity now. GlobalPlatform has a part to play in furthering the cybersecurity measures adopted in automotive. GlobalPlatform, as a standards organization with 20 years of experience in delivering trust and security to the demanding industries of banking, government, and mobile, has created technologies that are most pertinent to the automotive market through leveraging cybersecurity, digital trust architecture, specifications, certifications, and security APIs. In fact, many vehicles today being built already include GlobalPlatform certified or compliant technologies. Our secure elements are in the market today with over 55 billion, and more than 13 billion are compliant with the trusted execution environments. The market presence of GlobalPlatform is evidenced by our members, which span an impressive variety of banking, government, and mobile technology representatives. The work in GlobalPlatform is driven by our members, and the resulting specifications and certification standards are underwritten by these major global players. It is interesting to note that the majority of these members already support the automotive connected market in different roles. And importantly, the work developed by GlobalPlatform industrial members is done in collaboration with key organizations to ensure both the broadest reach and the applicability of technologies that fully represent the ecosystem and seek to achieve a fully open ecosystem for innovative digital services in all vertical markets. Global platform specifications, which are regarded as the industry standard for trusted end-to-end secure deployment and management solutions, are based upon three domains: secure by design, with foundations, components, and systems; trustworthy systems, based on certification and secure lifecycle management, as well as evolving to support future requirements, including outreach, the ecosystem development, and the deployment of new technologies. Global Platform's Secure by Design foundations provide the overall approach to how security needs to be addressed, with the root of trust as the common thread, which allows the trustworthiness of code and data loaded into a system at runtime to be established so that eventually a larger system can be considered trustworthy. The overall device trust architecture, which provides a way for manufacturers to ensure that their devices are trustworthy through the use of secure components to provide roots of trust. In addition, design for certification establishes from the beginning the vision that certification will be used to ensure compliance with specifications. Here we see the device trust architecture based upon 5 principles: the secure boot of the device assured by image authentication, integrity and measurement, verification of update images and prevention of image rollback to vulnerable versions; 2, secure configuration of device assured through the reliable measurement reporting, and measurements can be of device configuration attributes as well as software images; 3, the secure management of keys, key management and cryptography performed by the secure component; 4, the standard and security services provided through TPS APIs, fast time to market and assurance of security by design; and 5, OEM SP security services hosted in the secure component address specific product needs and differentiators. The Secure by Design components consist of 3 main parts: secure element as tamper-resistant platform, typically a one-chip secure microcontroller capable of securely hosting applications and their confidential and cryptographic data, for example, cryptographic keys, in accordance with the rules and security requirements set by well-identified trusted authorities. The trusted execution environment as a secure area of the main processor in any connected device to enable a minimal trusted computing base, which ensures that sensitive data is stored, processed, and protected in an isolated trusted environment. The TE's ability to offer isolated, safe execution of authorized security software, known as trusted applications, enable it to provide end-to-end security by enforcing protected execution of authenticated code, confidentiality, authenticity, privacy, system integrity, and data access rights. Furthermore, the new security specification for protection profiles for microcontroller units are available. The secure component guarantees 4 primary things: the initial root of trust, which provides basic security services; the trusted OS layer, with the kernel, extended services with update, reporting, time memory management, peripherals, and interfacers; the trusted API layer, with the APIs allowing a security services to be constructed by service providers; the trusted applications and services implemented as TAs on the TE, with the native code usually C, increasingly Rust, implemented as applets on the TRE with the virtual machine in Java. Global Platform's secure components are quite salient to the automotive domain, as they secure the update exchanges are independent of the infrastructure and protocol used, allowing for offline, online updates, allowing direct access or via third-party platforms, control over updates so that they can be managed for a single device or to a group of devices. Secure by Design system includes the Trusted Platform Services strategy, which simplifies the access to secure component services from the boot to application and provide open specifications that enable access to platform services offered by standardized secure components, both from within a device and from platforms external to it. These mechanisms assure the trustworthiness of a secure component within a device, enabling a secure service thanks to an attestable chain of trust to the application or the cloud. Trusted Platform Services APIs are really a universal language to access secure services provided by SE, TEs, TPM, MARS, and proprietary solutions. The Secure by Design systems includes the Security Evaluation Standard for IoT Platforms. SESIP provides an optimized methodology to security evaluation designed enabling the composite evaluation of IoT products. Components that have been certified for one particular use case can be reused to answer the requirements of other markets. This reuse optimizes the process, reducing the cost and time of security evaluations for device makers. GlobalPlatform provides specific mappings of how the evaluation methodology can be leveraged to address specific regulatory compliance. Many have already been completed, and SESIP could provide a means for demonstrating compliance with UNEC 155. SESIP focuses on specifying 6 generic and intuitive security requirement categories with flexibility to address different use cases and the cybersecurity threats specific to them, including the identification and attestation, product lifecycle, the secure communication, cryptographic functionality, compliance functionality, and extra attacker resistance. Trustworthy systems are based upon certification as a means to facilitate trust, confidence, and collaboration between stakeholders, as well as foster market growth and stability. It demonstrates conformance, interoperability, and robustness. It enables stakeholders to maximize the potential of existing opportunities and break into new markets. It confirms alignment with business security, regulatory, and data protection requirements, and it differentiates products from competing solutions. It reduces costs and time to market and protects brands and end users. GlobalPlatform's certification program includes 11 accredited labs, 68 test suites, and 175 qualified products. Importantly, the certification confirms that an isolated environment has been created, that the product meets the defined level of correctness and robustness, and that the product protects against software-based attacks and exploitation of its physical boundary. GlobalPlatform hosts a group of experts that are analyzing all the known attacks in the field. They rank them and decide whether or not the TE should be protected from a specific attack. This allows the products that are protecting against this list of attacks to be state-of-the-art for the expected countermeasures on the platform in question. GlobalPlatform evaluation methodology has been created from the ISO standard used by multiple security communities. The secure lifecycle management requires also addressing the software bill of materials. Today, as part of the U.S. executive order and under discussion in other countries or country blocs like Canada, the EU, the UK, Netherlands, Germany, Japan, are increasingly considering the use of SBOMs. Other countries or country blocs like the EU mostly use or are expected to use a legislative regulatory approach versus a procurement approach to drive SBOM adoption. The SBOM managed correctly provides an opportunity to also manage software updates in the specific case of security of certified components, given the need to update vehicles during their lifetime. Another key part of lifecycle management for secure components, and very urgent for automotive, is the approach for migration to post-quantum crypto, given the imminent mandate to comply by 2030. GlobalPlatform already has defined a migration approach with a channel based upon the AIS crypto as an update channel. Given the numerous GlobalPlatform mature security technologies applicable to the automotive market in addressing cybersecurity with secure by design components, GlobalPlatform has launched a new initiative to foster direct engagement between trusted digital service experts from banking, government, and mobile industries, together with the full automotive value chain, in order to address issues regarding secure components, trusted digital architectures, security APIs, security lifecycle management, with the goal to help identify gaps, critical use cases, and eventual work items for guidelines, specifications, certifications, and lifecycle management approaches. Today, GlobalPlatform's Cybersecurity Vehicle Forum currently has 55 registrants which cover the markets from automotive value chain, technology, and government. Examples of the use cases being discussed within the Cybersecurity Vehicle Forum currently include secure boot, so that the system is only running the software authorized by the vendor, that the reliability measures and to attest what software is running, the authentication of user face recognition, how important biometrics are for capabilities such as attention monitoring and authentication, what privacy concerns are there with biometric storage, what is needed in terms of standardization and/or certification, in-vehicle infotainment systems with common platform security requirements, digital rights management with secure storage, key management, high-speed decryption, secure video path integration, the protection of privileged access to hardware through fingerprint access, the secure data storage, how should secure components be used to store privacy-centric data and manage user profiles, should secure components be used to store telematics logs and other performance data to provide tamper-proof logs, what secure processing of this data is needed on the device, use protection of ADAS assets, the digital car key, and a framework for managing user data across systems in the car, the secure connections to the cloud, and the update strategy in multi-party environments. Be proactive. Come join us. We have 2 different tracks of activities: the Cybersecurity Vehicle Forum, which fosters engagement with the automotive value chain, also outside of GlobalPlatform members, to jointly discuss and prioritize use case requirements and the need for proof of concepts around secure components, trusted platform services, and lifecycle management. Or if you're ready to immerse yourself in the details of refining specifications, developing guidelines, and determining needed technology updates, then come join GlobalPlatform as a member and participate in the Automotive Task Force directly. If you think you're ready to collaborate on furthering the robustness of cybersecurity around automotive use cases, please contact us and have a wonderful AutoTech conference.